Wood furniture manufacturing has passed through several stages in terms of technology use. During the 20th century, the preeminence of technology allowed several goods, including furniture, to be mass-produced. This was done through an assembly line process, where different parts of the wood furniture making process occurred at different steps. For example, when manufacturing a table, the legs would all be made in one place. Ultimately, the benefits of this process were that good furniture, which had previously only been a luxury item, was now available to the majority of households. There are also several furniture and decorative pieces used by the traditional woodworking method. Among these are several wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces you can use in your home or office. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Bench-made wood furniture describes a furniture-making process that combines quality craftsmanship with the best wood types available. Hardwoods are the best type of wood material for furniture. A product that is getting harder and harder to find, hardwood furniture has a combination of beauty and durability that cannot be matched by any softwood or engineered wood. While softwoods can be beautiful, they aren't nearly as durable as hardwoods. On the other hand, while there are many pretty durable engineered wood out there, the natural character and beauty of hardwood cannot currently be emulated by technological processes. While there were certainly some benefits to the industrialization of furniture making, its downsides were that there was a level of skill and craftsmanship that was seemingly lost. When a furniture designer produces your furniture piece with his own hands, there is an undeniable level of care. The artist's name is associated with that product and most craftsmen care deeply about their standing and reputation among peers. By contrast, a person who performs a single function on an assembly line is not nearly as accountable and has less reason to care about your satisfaction. One thing you should never overlook is proper finishing of wood furniture. A finish benefits wood in two basic ways: protection and decoration. Protection means safety from moisture, or protection from scratches, dirt, and wear. Decoration means the finish showcases the wood's natural beauty, color, figure patterns, grain, and depth. It also enhances the wood's appearance by hiding defects. While there are many types of wood finishes or wood paints available, the most prominent ones are clear and colored coatings. They can be applied on the interior as well as exterior wood surfaces, and are available in both oil-based and water-based formulations. You can give your wooden furniture a super mirror finish, a semi-gloss, rich matte or dead matte look with clear coatings. Water-based coatings, which give off a soft matte look, have low odor, making them child-safe and environment-safe. Colored coatings add a pop of color and a unique style to your wood furnishings. These wood paints are available in numerous shades and finishes. Wood furniture requires minimal and effortless cleaning and maintenance. As long as you don't expose it to harsh sunlight or moisture, it's very easy to maintain its charm. Just clean it with a soft cloth and wood polish at regular intervals. One of the more traditional woods in furniture making, mahogany is a beautiful wood. It is lighter in weight than some of the other wood types but has the strength of oak. Mahogany is commonly considered as reddish-brown, however there are lighter colors of the wood. Genuine mahogany is becoming harder and harder to find. It can be expensive. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.